Hello everyone! It has been a super hot minute since I've been on a Facebook Live here on my my group page, and I apologize for that. As you can see, life has been crazy with Claire, so ignore the mess in the background. The TV's got the monitor on it, but I have to be quick because she could wake up from her nap at any point, but she did have a super fabulous nap, so I'm so proud of her. But I wanted to jump on and show you guys. I have two boxes. To be honest, I'm not sure which one has what in it, but my storage by Stampin' Up! Products are here, and I'm so excited! If you guys know me, you know I love organization, and I love having a place for everything, and just everything like that. So I'm super excited about these products. I can't wait to use them. I can't wait to organize my craft room. I'm so excited. And so I wanted to jump on and unbox these with you guys. And because little one is crawling all over the place, I left the little knife to open up my boxes up high so she can't get it, but I also can't get it from being here on the floor, so hold on. Okay, so this one is super lightweight, so I have a feeling this is my goodies. I'm so excited. Gotta make sure that that knife goes back away. Okay, oodles and oodles of bubbles. Maybe it's lightweight because there's not much in this box. Let's see. So we have lid toppers. So these are the flat lids. So there's 3 different styles of lids or tops for the Stampin' or the storage by Stampin' Up. There's a flat lid that you can then decorate whatever you want on top or place whatever you want on top. There's also like a little tray, like a short, deep, short in depth, not short deep, little tray that then you can put anything in it, but Stampin' Up! Shows that you can put your re-inkers in it. And then, well, the monitor just died. Then we also have one that's tilted sideways, like a box sideways, so you can put little goodies in there. This is the ink pad and marker storage. Comes in a cute little box with foam padding. So I think, yeah, it goes in this direction. So there it is. Wait, no, because the marker things are upside down. It goes in this direction. So you can see it has your little slot for your ink pad as well as your marker. Since it's obvious I'm in my living room and not in my stamp room, then I can't slide one in there because I don't have one. But yeah, so the ink pad goes in there, and then there's the little notch for the marker there. And it looks like it's got a fairly like solid top, but like you can see it's kind of got the little pieces, and that's because all of them are together. So like you can just pop them apart. So they go like, you know, you can stack like 2, 2, and 2. You can stack 3, 3, and 3. You can stack 10. Like, you know, you can kind of go up, down, and around with this. So all of these are kind of like the same piece, which is why you kind of need a topper for that that flat look and everything. So let's pop open a topper and see how this works. It has like a giant foam piece around it, but I don't think you need that. It's kind of cute for like a frame. You could like totally like add some cardstock or like ink to it or paint and like do like little frames for like a photo booth. Okay, maybe I've lost it. So this goes on top, I think, backwards. I'm not sure how this works. I wonder if there's instructions. Ah, wait. I might be doing it upside down. There we go. So I am doing it upside down. So this notch is actually not for the marker. The marker goes close to the edge, I think. There should be instructions, because that's the way the lid goes. Oh, geez. Okay, so that's everything in that giant box. Let's open this box. I did order some other stuff besides the Stampin', the storage by Stampin' Up. So I wanted to call them Stampin' Blends. That's because I was working with Stampin' Blends just a little bit ago. More bubbles. Okay. Open storage. So this is the sideways box. So you can see, like, you can put stuff in it. Like, you can do ribbon. Ooh, it's got rubber nubbins. So take that off, pop that on, I think. It's hard to hold and push at the same time. There. So then this, you can either leave the top open, or, because you have something super tall, or this also goes on the top. Too wiggly. Did I get it? Got it. I think, nope, I didn't, but anyway, you get the point. Because we gotta hurry up, especially since I can't see that. Okay. Stampin' Blends storage. This is what I'm super excited about. And this has little nubbies too, so that they don't like skid across your table. So there's 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can do 2 markers, light and dark, light and dark, light and dark. And it holds 6 times 5, 30. 30 different Stampin' Blends. And again, you can do the solid topper on this. You can do the box topper, or I think I got some of the little trays, but I'm not sure. And then again with these, that was kind of fun. Mom. Anyway, you can pull these apart and do like 2, 2, and 2, or up and down, however you want, depending on how much space you have. Super cute! I got a ton of the blends ones because I wasn't sure how many I needed. And then, oh wait, this looks like the topper storage. Yeah, a little tray. Aww. Looks like a little succulent tray or something. So, I'm guessing since the logo is up front, that probably goes up front. Super cute! And I actually think I have like a shelf thing that has some of my ink pads on right now, but I don't have a spot for my re-inkers, so I might just buy these to put on top of that shelf to put all my re-inkers in. Super fabulous. Okay, so I think the rest of the goodies in here are just duplicates because those are the different styles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of the storage by Stampin' Up. I will be doing like a full review and like a showing off of my stamp room coming soon once I get it all figured out and everything, and after I apply the little nubbies onto the bottom so that it doesn't scoot away. So I'm super excited. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day. Bye!